What's up everyone? In this video I'm gonna do portraits with the Nikon D3100, and I want to say major thanks to Penny for coming along.
Hi!
And so I have three lenses: the Nikon 35 1.8G DX, the Nikon 50mm 1.8G, the Nikon 85mm 1.8G, and I'm gonna use all three of those on the Nikon D3100. If you're interested, you can take a look at my take on the Nikon D3100 right here as well. And you know what? Let's go straight to it. I'm gonna start with the Nikon 35mm 1.8G DX. Those are the shots with the 35. I'm gonna move on to the 50 1.8. So those were the shots with the 50. I'm gonna move on to the 85. So those are the shots with the Nikon D3100. I'll have the links below where you can purchase these three lenses. Comment below and let me know which lenses you like the most. Personally, I still love the 50mm on the D3100 or all my crop sensor Nikon DSLRs. I just really like how the 50 really pops up, and you don't have to stay too far and too close to the model or the subject as well. And the 85, I feel like it's just a little too long, a little too tight. But if you have a lot of space you can work with, the 85 is an excellent choice. So yeah, let me know what you think about this lens and camera. If you're interested, like I said, I have links below where you can purchase this body and the three lenses in the comments below. Alright, so I just want to say thanks to Penny for coming along.
Thanks for having me.
You can give her a follow here, and I'll have links to where you can follow her in the comments as well. I just want to say thanks to everyone that's been watching. I really appreciate the support that everyone's been giving me. If you want to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, I'll have links below, or you can follow me right here as well. So yeah, I appreciate everyone watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See ya.